Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome to another vlog or video or it's an unboxing, okay? Sorry, medyo excited ako and medyo pagod din kasi galing ako Manila. But first of all, ano ang bago na na-observe nyo sa aking background? So let me show you. Tada! Finally, dumating na ating logo ng clinic. Sabi ko nga, diba? I will be making videos dito kasi syempre mas maganda yung lighting, tsaka mas maganda yung background. Pero ito na, ang highlight of today is ang ating i-unbox is something that I'm so excited for! Tada! DJI Osmo Pocket 3, guys. I have been searching for this for months and waiting for this for months. Kasi ganito ang kwento. So, meron ako Osmo Pocket 1, yung original pa. Pero, as you may have known, habang mag-i-improve yung technology, dumating sa point na sobrang bagal na niya and sobrang pangit niya yung quality as compared to phones sa pag-video. So medyo hindi ko na siya nagamit. So dumating yung Osmo Pocket 2 and itong Osmo Pocket 3 last year pa, but I wasn't really interested. Pero yung mga recent reviews na about it is sobrang impressive. So technically, nabudol ako. So when I finally decided na gusto ko siya, it was so out of stock kahit sa Manila, kahit dito. Luckily, may relative sa States and actually it's my mom. Ayan. And anong tawag dito? Pinatry kong ipahanap doon. But yun nga, since out of stock din siya doon kahit sa Best Buy pupunta ka. So parang decided na i-order siya sa Amazon and luckily umabot siya before umuwi si Mama. And ito na, ngayon yan, nakuha na natin after a couple of months waiting. So guys, ito siya. It's already open there kasi no choice. Kailangan buksan to check kasi sayang naman kung dadalhin dito tapos hindi ko magana, di ba? So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo Edition. So ito yung may mga added pang stuff, hindi lang yung camera. So, ayan, it comes in a white box. Yung tab niya parang sa sa iPhone. So, ayan, buksan natin. Try natin i-change yung angle para mas makita nyo guys. Pinakita ko lang din naman yung logo ng clinic. So, what's inside? So, ayan, it comes... Ooh. Ayan, set side muna natin to. Basically, it has a lot of documentation. Stuff that we don't really read. Meron siyang ganito. Ano yun naman ito? Oh! It's I think it's a protective casing. This is the protective casing, guys. Open na rin natin. So, it's a hard shell. Ayan. It's bigger than sa sa dati ko. Tapos, meron siyang slot. I think you could put the mic here. Tapos, wide angle lens which is supposed to come with the package. At saka may black promised filter. Ayan, hindi pa ako masyadong expert sa mga filters guys, ND filters. But basically, what they do is para siyang sunglasses for the lens. So parang may mga artistic qualities or styles na you could execute not by software editing but simply by using these ND filters. Especially kapag maliwanag. Tapos, i-describe ko lang guys, this is rubber pero siya, parang very grippy. Ayan. And then, dito na tayo sa main event. So guys, ang ganda. Para siyang Oakley shade sa. It comes with this. Ayan, may sarili na siyang bag, which is so cool. This is from DJI. Ayan yung marking. And i-open natin. So, what's inside? So, tumambad agad yung tripod. It's a small tripod. Ayan. Ito yung una kong i-unbox guys. Marami pa tayong tech na i-unbox but inuna ko kasi ito na yung gagamitin ko from this point forward. Except kung meron ako mga singit na post-unboxing na gamit ko pa rin yung phone. So, ito guys. This is the tripod. Next, sa pinaka main slot niya is the camera itself. Alright. So, mamaya natin. Tabi muna natin siya dyan. And then, this is the parang attachment siya. Which is actually, I think this is the battery pack. Yep. This is the battery pack attachment. You can attach to the camera like so. And then, excuse me. Ayan, meron siyang, ang tawag dito guys, quarter or third inch, quarter inch attachment. So, pwede nang ikabit ka ng tripod. Diyan. So, ito, it carries ano rin, power or juice for extended use. Meron siyang another one. Ito naman, walang battery. It's shorter. But you can also use this to attach the tripod. So, I think most of the time, mas ito yung gagamitin ko. Para lang kasi it's kind of awkward pa rin to hold this. So, pag nakakabit to, let me demonstrate. So, yan, may attach. Tapos supposedly, mag-clip siya. Or mag-click. O yun. Yun, nag-click. Oops, nabuhay pala. So guys, yan, i-turn it on. And na-turn on siya. English. Sige, off muna natin. Ayan, kasi before setuping. Unboxing lang naman to. So yung nga pala guys, yung main camera, meron siyang very wide, ayan, when you slide it like that, automatically nag-go on agad siya. So ang ganda ng ang wide ng kanyang, ang galing ko na to. Satisfying. Yung kanyang screen as compared dun sa una ko pa. Ayan, nag-order nga pala ako ng protective screen nito sa sa Shopee. Ayan, wala siyang kasamang memory card, so nagpabili ako. 4K UHD, hindi ko alam yung certification pero I think ito na yung kaya naman niya yung 4K. Okay, so this is 512GB, kasi ito lang daw yung available. Sabi naman ko, naghanap siya ng mas madami, pero okay na to guys. For na-develop na rin sa akin yung yung alam na hindi ba bad yung use ng cameras. Very demure. Joke lang. Ayan. So this is exciting kasi ngayon lang din ako gagamit dito. This is a DJI Mic 2. Ayan. So guys, kasama siya dyan. And ito nga yung sabi ko, you can put it here Ayan dito. Ayan. So ang ganda din ang review ng mic na to guys. And then, it's all in here Meron siyang of course, USB-C which can be used for charging. Tsaka siguro for data transferring as well. It has the dead cat or dead mouse. Yan, which we can put here para on a windy day. Yan, pwede natin gamitin, ilagay dyan. Parang mic. Subukan natin to sa mga next unboxing natin. And then, lastly is ito yung ND filters. Sorry. Isa lang pala yung ND filter sa kanya. Yung isa is wide angle lens, which will give us, syempre, a wide angle. So, what's nice guys, it's magnetic. So, ayan, nakakaano lang. The magnets are pretty strong. Hindi ko siya mahiwalay actually. Ay, Bopols. Hindi pa pala mahihiwalay. Isa lang pala siya. Asan na yung isa? Where's the other lens? Oh, I can't find it. Hala, ba't ganun? Akala ko dalawa. Akala dito Black Pro Mist filter. Tapos ito yung wide angle. Dito mo ilalagay. Dalawa ba to? Magkadikit ba siya? Am I losing a part? So weird. Kasi parang magkahiwalay siya. Hindi, ito na yung I think I'm losing one part. So yun guys, balitaan ko na lang kayo kung makita ko. Sana hindi nalaglag lang siya. Oh, ito, found it. Hindi ito yung magnet. This is a magnet. Kasi you could use the ayan, pwede mo gamitin yung mic with this para kasing magki-clip siya sa If you don't want to use the clip, you could also use a magnet. Ayan. Ang strong na magnet Wait, I am losing that Black Pro Mist ND filter. So where could it be? Ayun. I think I'm missing it. It should be here. Oh no! Wala naman ako nawala. Ayun guys. Let's hope na makita ko siya at hindi siya nawala sa US nung binuksan doon. Anyway, so that's it guys. Siguro later on sa mga future videos magko-comment ako, pero as I said, super ganda ng review ng camera na to, and that means more videos output dapat. Wala tayong excuse, dapat gumawa tayo ng more content. So dun muna guys, this is Doc Neo saying be informed, stay inspired, and I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye bye. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oops, may pahabol guys. Ito yung kanyang, anong tawag dito? Lanyard. Tama ba? Which you can put here kung gusto mo para hindi siya madaling malaglag when you're like traveling or using it.